Did you hear about a young girl in California just got a $300,000 settlement after the police straight up seized and slaughtered her pet goat? Yeah, you heard that right. Cops went after a little girl's pet goat. So here's the tea. Back in 2022, the 9-year-old girl at the time had this goat named Cedar. And she wasn't just any goat. Cedar was her pride and joy. The little girl got him as part of a youth livestock program meant to teach kids all about caring for animals. Sweet, right? Originally, the idea was to auction Cedar off at the Shasta District Fair so he could become someone's dinner. But this sweet little angel fell in love with Cedar and couldn't bear to let him go. Fast forward to July 2022, Cedar's set to go up for auction and our girl's having a full-on emotional breakdown, sobbing in his pen like, I can't let this happen. But the fair wasn't having it. They basically said, rules are rule, kid, and insisted Cedar had to be auctioned off. Get this, Republican State Senator Brian Dahl even bought Cedar for $902, but then said, you know what? I'm cool. Let's cancel the sale. Sounds good, right? Wrong. The fair wouldn't budge and refused to release Cedar. So mom's like, all right, if they're gonna be that stubborn, I'll just take Cedar myself. She swooped in, took him, and found him a cozy spot on a farm in Sonoma County, far away from the barbecue sauce. You'd think that's the end, right? Nope. The Shasta County Sheriff's Office actually got a warrant, drove 500 miles, that's around 800 kilometers, to snatch Cedar back and ended up taking him without a valid legal order. And here's the kicker. Cedar was eventually slaughtered and served up at a local barbecue. After all this chaos, the family took the matter to court. They just won a $300,000 settlement, which will go into a trust for the girl. But honestly, no amount of cash can make up for the emotional rollercoaster this kid's been through. So, the moral of the story? Sometimes justice looks like a $300,000 check, but it's hard to put a price on a little girl's heartbreak.